Hi everyone, in this video I am going to create a stack data type with Python language. First we need to create a new class with which named stack, and we create initialize function, and I have to declare the size limit of stack data type, and we have to pass variable size, of course. And in Python we don't have arrays, so we can use list data type. Okay, not size, self. This is lowercase stack, and we need to declare top variable, and in default we assign -1 to it. Now we can create push function, and we have to pass parameter as data. Okay, it is very easy to add data in Python into stack. Self stack append data, and we just increment top variable which stores last element of the stack. Just increment by 1. But we have to check if the stack is overflowed or not. So we have to check top +1 bigger or equal to self size, and if it is bigger or equal, we can say, of course, stack overflow, and we return it. Okay, this is just push function in the stack, and we need pop function. We don't need to declare parameter. We just use self stack pop function. Okay, this function deletes the last element of the list and return it. Actually we can use the return of it, but we need to just we can say removed item here. Okay, and we have to decrement top variable, self top -1. Of course we have to check if the stack is empty. We cannot pop anything, and so if self top -1 bigger or equal, not equal, just bigger, -1, and we can say print stack is already empty, and of course we have to return here. Okay, and we can return this removed item. Now the last function is peek function. Peek function makes no change in the stack. It just returns the last element of the stack, top element of the stack. This is here, not this self top. Okay, we just we don't add any item, we don't delete any item, or we don't change any item. Just we return the last item of the stack. Let's try these functions, and I want to have just 5 elements. Let's add some elements here. Oh, I need just one function, print stack for test. Okay, just I need here line break here for I in self stack, just print this. Okay, now we can test. I want to add 5 items. And as the print stack just test it. As you see, this is the top element. Okay, just I want to check Stack Overflow is running or not. As you see, 777 didn't push into stack because we have 5 element already. If I pop one element and let's print stack, we expect 666 pop in the stack from stack. Let's check. Oh, not, it didn't happen. Why? Oh, did I print stack? Yes. Oh, sorry guys. I guess. Oh, apology. Not bigger. Oh, smaller. Sorry guys. Okay, now it run successfully. We pop 666 here. Okay, now let's try to pop other items. 1 2 3 4 5, and let's print stack here. We don't have items here. Let's run one more. We had 5 item in the stack and we popped all the elements, and I call the pop function again and stack is already empty. Our function runs well. You can check these codes from my GitHub account, guys. You can see in the description. Okay, you can check or use these codes. Goodbye.